I am making a roasted garlic, spicy cheese stuffed monkey bread. So,
Savory.
So my favorite part of football is the food. And this is a way that you can make your very own Super Bowl ring, because we're gonna put it in one of these bundt pans that you can make it into a ring. So we're starting with roasted garlic, and I am gonna add you actually taught me about this ingredient, and it's now become one of my absolute favorite. I put it on about everything I eat. This is Calabrian chili paste.
It's actually milder than hot chili flakes.
It is. It's not too spicy. And that's why I decided also to go with the roasted garlic, because it's kind of the same
roasted
feeling.
Garlic is very sweet. It's
Right.
not bitter. When people say they don't like garlic, they're just wrong.
They're wrong.
They are burning their garlic or cooking
Right.
it at the inappropriate temperature. When you roast garlic, it becomes very sweet and mellow. It's
Right.
not a harsh or bitter flavor at all.
So that's why this monkey bread ends up with all those really, really yummy, kind of mellowed out, but delicious, like slow cooked flavors.
So cheese, chili, and roasted
So a little
garlic.
bit of cheese, and then I put in a little bit of butter, and then a little bit of olive oil. And then this becomes the topping that we're gonna roll. I guess, I don't know, can we call these garlic knots? They're little like cheese stuffed balls.
So is this pizza dough?
This is just pizza dough. So we're gonna just cut it into 16
Store-bought
pieces.
or frozen?
Just, store-bought from your favorite pizzeria. And then you're just gonna cut it into 16 pieces. Then this is just a 1 pound brick of low moisture mozzarella. I cut half of it into 16 cubes, and then I take the other half and I shred it. So you're gonna use both halves of it. So then I'm gonna take our delicious roasted garlic Calabrian chili
I just want to show
paste.
them. You're just going to take a small square of dough and just wrap it around.
Wrap it right around. Then you roll. Fun for the kids
Like
to do
you're
too.
rolling
It's like rolling
meatballs,
Exactly, exactly.
Like you're rolling meatballs.
So
but
then
they're cheese stuffed
you
dough.
take it and you kind of just run it just with your fingers into this delicious, buttery, spicy, roasted garlic, cheesy. Can you use any other adjectives to describe it?
I think they're clear on where we're wet with the paste.
Delicious. Okay, so then I have the first 8 already in here, and then I take a little bit of the shredded cheese and I wedge the cheese in between them.
the balls?
Yes. So then I put another layer of cheese over this one, and then we just take these, and then I like to, whatever cheese we have left, you're making cheesy garlic bread, you might as well just go for it. So then I like to do 350 for about like 50 to 55 minutes. It's gonna slow cook because you want all the cheese inside to melt. I'm gonna take this one out. It's been cooking for just that amount of time. You can see what it looks like when we pop it out. Look at that. All the gooey cheese. And then a lot of that like roasted garlic, it gets really nice and caramelized around the edges.
See that? Look at all that.
Give it about 15, 20 minutes just to settle. And then I like to flip it back upside down, and it looks like this guy. You wanna get in here with me?
So you flip it over onto a tray.
Flip it over onto a tray, and
then
flip it back
slide it
over
back.
onto a platter. And then it's this fun pull apart, and they're all cheesy
They're
stuffed
all
and
filled with cheese.
delicious.
Oh my God, it's like a white pizza.
I know.
It's like a ring of white pizza.
I know.